South Korean officials have been saying we're at or near the peak of the Omicron wave of the pandemic. The number of new cases is around 350,000, but they're not sure exactly when daily case numbers will start coming down. Tomorrow, the total number of cases to date is expected to reach 10 million. Shin Ye-eun has the latest.
South Korea on Tuesday reported 353,980 new COVID-19 infections. Though it was an increase of more than 140,000 from the day before, it wasn't as big as some of the jumps we've seen in the past few weeks. Health authorities have evaluated Monday and Tuesday's figures to be relatively low and added that Korea seems to be passing the peak of Omicron. But they added close monitoring on this week's figures is still required, especially as Wednesday's numbers usually act as a key barometer for the weekly trend. And by Wednesday, Korea is expected to hit the 10 million mark in total COVID-19 infections. Even after reaching the peak, authorities said an important question that remains is how fast the country will start to see a downward trend in cases. Health officials Hon Young-rae said that is difficult to determine at this point because authorities have just eased social distancing measures on Monday and because stealth Omicron is spreading like wildfire.
The proportion of stealth Omicron cases is rising in Korea, and when considering the fact that this subvariant is somewhat more transmissible than the original Omicron strain, we will have to wait and observe to make an accurate assessment on how the current outbreak may trend downward after reaching its peak.
Stealth Omicron is a subvariant of Omicron that is known to be 30% more contagious. Up till Monday, over 41% of locally transmitted cases were traced back to the subvariant. Shin Ye-eun, Arirang News.